really cold this morning, but I've treated myself to some road sweeper hire. Because what had happened was, we concreted that bit of the yard, then everything drove through all the mud and got everywhere. And then as we kept moving along, all like the old bit of the yard, it used to just get all messed up. So I thought I'm going to treat myself to a bit of road sweeper hire. So that road sweeper was a little bit, I wouldn't say it was a disaster, but because it's quite frosty, it only picked half the stuff up, wanted it to. But he was passing anyway, so thank you very much for calling in and doing that. So we've got some jobs to do in the workshop now. So first thing we've got to do, the ram off the plough. It's got a big score in it because the bearing dropped to bits and it dropped off. So we've got that to do. Just been looking at the sprayer. These are the ends of the sprayer. Got some new bits of steel, they want welding in. And then through here, been doing a bit of welding of pallet tines and had a few different bits of kit in over the course of the last couple of weeks or whatever. They've just been trying to get through everything really because I'm quite busy all the time. Today we've got the Simba SL in. I've got a little bit of welding that I found to do on this. Just going to get everything done so then I haven't got to do it when it comes to lifting the sugar beet. When the sugar beet's gone, we'll run through it with this, ready to drill the spring barley. So we'll have a quick look around it. So if we look over here, on this last year we added this extra ram as well. I don't know if you can see it just there. There's a little crack starting to appear. So we're going to get that welded up, and then we've got just going to do the scrapers on the back of the DD rings as well on here. So that's another job we've got to do this morning. Got low loader in because I've had an amazing idea. It means I've got to take a bit of the floor out. So I've got to have a look at that at some point. I don't know why no one's ever thought of it, but that'll be for a future video. Got the baler to be getting on with, got the combines to service. It's quite a lot to do, to be fair. So we'll start with the welding. Hello. Look who's come back, if it's not the cat. You're all right. What have you been eating? Because you've put on loads of weight. You haven't been to someone else's house, have you? Go. Right, just run a couple of beads of weld around there just to clean that crack up. Just bead it out slightly as well, so we'll get to clean this up and just get some paint on that, and hopefully that'll be that sorted. The next bit we're just doing, we've done the welding. Now we've got these bits here. These are the scrapers for in the packer roller, so they sit just here, look, like that. And then one of these goes on there like that, so that sort of sits in there and it cleans it all out. There's a few of them either sort of dropped off or whatever, but we are missing a couple. I haven't got enough, so we're gonna have a little trip to AgriLink and go get some. God, it's really cold, so I just thought whilst I'm here, I'd just have a look in the old clearance section. Just see if there's anything, because obviously Simba don't make Simba equipment anymore, and there are a few rings to the rear packer. Just see what there is about. You never know. Want some hooks for the front as well, but I don't think we're going to find anything like that. But it's always worth having a check. More Simba DD rings, all part worn stuff. Handy to know they're here in case I ever need any spares. We've got some big bars as well. They'll be the bars for hold all the discs on. Don't need any of them at the moment, though. More in my last video, I think we come here and had a look. I just like to have a look, see if there's anything new. Also, as well, in one of my other videos with the cutting edge bucket, we put a discount code for anything you want to buy from here. But I did feel it was a little bit sort of long-winded. Like there was loads of cap locks and all sorts of stuff, so I asked them if they can change it to like the one at Rhinox, where it says like Tom Lamb 1, so it's easier for people to use. So hopefully we'll be able to change that at some point as well. I've just seen these actually. Quite like them, they'd go quite well on the back of my drill. A bit too cold to be walking around today. Got my bits anyway. Gonna have a look at the stores. What we got here? Oh, bolt-on cutting edges. Just there, loads of different types. Just here we got, this is where my cutting edge come from the other day. All different types of cutting edges in there. Lovely. Loads of discs and stuff. Go for a Sumo, it says Sumo on them. Nothing I need here, I don't think. These discs over here, they might be for my Simba. I don't know, there's so many different types. It's difficult to know which one's which. Loads of different types of discs. But anyway, right, we're going to go back and get on with some more bits anyway. So I'm on the way to a farm sale this morning. I've just come to PX Farms and I want to show you in here because it's incredible. So these barriers here, look, you can put them on the 3-point linkage to lift them in and out when the grain store gets completely full. That's quite impressive. And this is the grain store inside here. Absolutely huge, colossal. So I've just had a good look round in all the grain stores, very, very impressive. So we'll probably do a bit of a video about that at some point, and when I get 5 minutes. But we're just going to go to a farm sale that's local and have a look, see what's happening there. You look like you've had a burger.
I might have had one, Tom.
We've come to a farm sale and there's a few bits. We've got combines, haven't we? A few tractors, a few bits and bobs. Some tractors, JCBs, combine over there like ours.
Yeah, no, it didn't on those earlier.
Another Massey combine. Not too bad, but it looks like it's had the rats in it. So that might cause a few wiring issues. All the workshop equipment being sold. All the Massey Ferguson service manuals. A lot of old car lifts and stuff for sale. So me and Andy just had a walk round.
And we've been excited about it all, haven't we?
I have. I've had a double cheeseburger. But we were just saying it's very sad that all these machinery dealers are closing down, isn't it?
Yes, it's a sign of things to come, sadly, at the moment.
Yeah, so another machinery dealer gone. But anyway, we've had a look round. We've seen a few people. So anyway, our next little job for the day, the weight on the trebuchet is actually full of water, so I need to try and drain it. Oh, we've got a leak. We have a leak. Just leave it running and I'm going to go and gonna go and fire it again. See if it still works after I repaired it. There we go, we've got 2 holes in it now. We'll leave it draining. We've got the bit off the back of the Simba and we're missing one of the sides, haven't we, Rick?
We have.
So I've come to use the bender to bend a new one so we can do the other side because the other one's missing. So how are we going to do it, Rick?
Tighten that up.
Tighten it up. like that.
Yeah.
We don't want to bend it just yet though, because it's quite a long
Yeah.
bit there.
So you just put your foot on there and you'll see this goes top, then back again. There.
Do you think we should measure it?
Oh, we do need to do it, yeah, but
Measure twice, cut once.
so they say, Tom. Well, let me show you.
Okay.
Do a tape measure. Well, I'm guessing it.
So what's that then? Before
So
the bend?
That's at least 500.
500. Okay, so now we measure 500 on here. So I want to start the bend there, do we?
No.
Right.
I think.
You think that one's quite a bit longer, that bit?
Yeah. As long as we're somewhere in between 500 and 650.
Yep. Is that going to work? This bit of steel ain't the right length, you know.
No, it's too long, isn't it?
Yeah, it is too long.
Yeah. So we want to start our bend in the middle of the excess, and then we can always cut it off.
Go on, let's have a go.
Really bad.
It doesn't matter, you're not going to
Give it
see
a
it.
go.
You're not going to see it. You ready?
No.
No?
You can do it on the end, Rick.
Oh, we can't.
We're going to do it in the
Of course,
middle.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know. For some reason, I thought you.
Don't worry, Colin, we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
So we'll start there
Yeah, till we're up.
and go to about there.
Oh, hello, Tom. Hello.
Hello.
Hold on.
So what, you
I'll
still...
cut this here, yeah?
You cut that there, yeah?
I'll cut this here.
Go on, start. No.
No,
You
that's
ready?
you, isn't it?
So what do I do now? Press it.
Yeah.
To what mark?
Till we get to there.
Till we get to there.
Yeah.
And then tighten it up. And then go backwards again.
Yeah.
And then I'll tighten these up, look.
Yeah. And then go back again. Or we'll go a bit more.
One of them's real stiff. That one. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Push them out. Keep tightening.
Who put wheels on it?
You ready?
Yeah, go on, Tom.
That looks like it's bending. Back.
Oh, good Rick, go.
Back again.
Yeah.
It's going to take some doing, isn't it? We're getting there, Rick.
Definitely.
Nearly there.
We've done that well.
Oh, we're doing a good job.
Well,
You ain't quite got enough here. Wants a tiny bit more, look, doesn't
it's
it?
opening out.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, you've gone too much, Rick.
I haven't, look. What's opening out?
What do you mean? We're going to have to pull it back. Well, thanks for watching anyway. Done a few little bits anyway today, but before we go, the yard is looking incredibly icy, so I'm going to try and not lose control. Oh my God. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me.